Today I'm going to make some simple fondant for chocolates. I have 1/3 of a cup of margarine, vegan margarine here. Third of a cup of white corn syrup. I can mix that up a little bit. And I have a teaspoon of vanilla here. Oops. And here I have 3 cups of icing sugar. Let me just add some at a time. And sometimes you might need a little more. I think the hardest part is mixing in all the icing sugar. Well, I will continue mixing this. I'm just kneading in the last little bit of icing sugar. I end up adding 3½ cups total. Now, I'm going to be dividing this up and making it into different flavors. Now, I'm just kind of roll it so I can divide it. Okay. Sure how many flavors I want to make. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Divided into 6, but I'm not sure how many flavors I'm making. And I'm going to show you how to make a few of those. The first flavor I'm making is peanut butter, because everybody loves peanut butter cups. And for that, I had to measure the fondant. So however much fondant you use the same amount of peanut butter. So I have 1/3 of a cup of fondant, so I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter. And then you have to mix it. Which takes a little bit of elbow grease. So you mix the peanut butter with the fondant till it's nice and smooth. Just kneading the last little bit in. And then I will put it in a little bag and we'll start on a new flavor. Okay, that one is ready. Second flavor I'm making is coffee. This was originally 3 teaspoons of instant coffee, and I just put 1/2 teaspoon of boiling water on it, so it's like a paste. going to mix this one in. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Coffee is finished, and I'll put that in a little bag as well. Now for chocolate, I have melted some chocolate chips in the microwave. This was a 1/4 cup. Not sure if I need that much. And it took me 50 seconds total. So I'm going to spread some on here. Just going to knead this in. Melted chocolate never goes to waste anyway. Might add just a touch more. I do make other flavors, and I will be making some of those. But for this video, this is what I'm making. And I'm going to put these in the fridge to chill. And it'll probably be tomorrow that I make chocolates. And that video will come out soon too. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.